Zanu PF candidate wins Marandara Ward 9 seat unopposed. The 23rd of August 2025. Spread the love. By Lovemore, the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission, ZEC, has declared Zanu PF candidate Charles Ndawana Nyamundanda duly elected councillor for Ward 9 in Marandara municipality after his sole challenger withdrew from the upcoming by-election. In a notice issued by ZEC Chief Elections Officer Simbarash Tangi, the electoral body confirmed that Alice Machingota of the MDCT party, who had been nominated to contest in the 13th of September 2025 by-election, had formally withdrawn her candidature. As a result, with no other contenders left in the race, Nyamundanda was declared the winner by default in line with Section 126(2) of the Electoral Act Chapter 2(13). The declaration took effect from the 20th of August 2025, effectively bringing the by-election process in Ward 9 to a close before polling day.